Teachers, we're going to be looking today at our Outlook web application. We're going to be checking out the calendar feature and looking at how you can add a new calendar group. We're going to be looking at how you can add a district calendar so you can check the availability and book carts. And we're also going to be looking at how you can delete old calendars from your list. Okay, so to get started, make sure you're on your calendar page, and you'll notice on the side you'll have the very first calendar is called calendar. That is your personal calendar. If you control click on it, you can share it with someone else. Look at the sharing permissions. You can also color it a certain color if you want to. It automatically defaults to this light blue color. The colors of the different calendars are kind of random for the rest of them. You can also add a little charm to it if you want to. So that's up to you. If you want to change the color, go right ahead. You'll also see any other calendars that are in this list are things that have been added before. Okay, so to make a calendar group, you just need to control click. You can control click either where it says your calendars or other calendars. It needs to be on one of those titles. And you'll see where it says new calendar group. If you click on that, it will make the group box pop up, and you just need to call it whatever you want to call it. Okay, and then you just click your return key and it saves it for you. To get rid of a group, if you control click on it, you can delete the calendar group. Yes, okay. So let's go back to the calendar group that I've made for my building. So we're specifically going to be looking at the iPad calendars today. We had two calendars that we used last year, iPad upstairs and downstairs. And now we are combining everything into one calendar that we used, and we called it WSGC iPad Cart 1. So I'm going to show you how to add that new calendar and how to delete these two old calendars. Okay. So first thing we're going to do is add the new calendar. So I'm going to just go up to my calendar group. I'm going to hold my control key down and click on WSGC. Then I'm going to click on Open Calendar. From here, I want to search the directory. So I'm going to search WSGC, and then I'm going to go down to Search Directory. Then I'm going to need to scroll down until I see the iPad cart. Make sure you get the one that says iPad Cart 1, not these two. These two are going away. And then you're going to click Open. Now that list will go into your section that you told it to go to. So now I have the iPad Cart 1 section right here. Now what I want to do is go delete these two old ones, the iPad downstairs and the iPad upstairs. I'm not really going to delete them myself right now because I want to transfer any bookings that are on those to the new cart. So I'm going to wait until after I've done that to really do it. But this is how you delete one. You click on whatever the name is that you want to get rid of, and you're going to want to get rid of the iPad downstairs and the iPad upstairs. So control click and just say remove, just like that. Okay. Same thing with the upstairs one. Remove, and that's all there is to it. If you need any help concerning calendars, just let me know. I also have a video on how to book resources using the calendars, and I will link to those in the notes below.